This non-invasive, reusable, no consumable feed device, meaning you can use it as much as you like, treats the entire lower face at once, exactly as you see here in this before and after. Meaning you buy it once and you have it for life, nothing more to purchase. And that's cost effective and invented for you by me, exclusively made available today for the first time ever. Nothing else like it on the market. And here's exactly why that matters. For years, I've heard it the second a patient sits down in my chair. Doc, this lower face aging thing, it's giving me away. And they're actually right. You can spot it instantly, especially when they're talking and articulating. The jawline softening, the lip lines flashing, sometimes even etched in above the lip and below, at rest, seen without any movement. The body of the lip, meaning the tubercles, thin as we age. We lose that plump volume. The corners of the mouth, they turn down. The whole area tells a single story. It's not one thing, it's the whole show. So why do we address one thing at a time in clinic? It makes no sense. And I'll say one word back to my patient. I'll say this: collapsing. You feel like it's collapsing, right? They look at me and they say, exactly, doc. And that's when they know I understand. Why are they right? Because it's never just lip filler or fixing a jowl or whitening teeth. Here's what nobody tells you. It's gums, it's teeth, it's fat pads, it's lip color, and loose skin that's lost support. It's the entire zone. Ultra white teeth on an aging face. Common, right? You've seen it, but incomplete. We'll be whitening today with this, yes, but the real secret is treating the whole zone, not just the smile. And this is the foundation for this product. In a minute, I'll show you even how to unlock a $200 rebate the easy way, especially if this story sounds familiar to you, only for viewers here. Now, I mentioned lip color, so take a look at this picture. A lip without color looks what? Flat and lifeless. Now let's add a little bit of color back here, and instantly what happens? It looks younger. That one subtle change. That's not just cosmetic, it's actually biology. Lip color is a form of hormone signaling, broadcasting youth and vitality. Think about it. At the end of a menstrual cycle, fertility, lips naturally appear redder. But there's one more thing patients always tell me: Doc, I don't want needles. So this is what I created for them, and now for you. In fact, do this. Zoom in on any face over the age of 60, and the lower third gives away the years, time and time again, more than the upper face. Now, ever wonder about that distance lengthening from the base of the nose to the top of your lip? Studies show the maxilla, that bone that's underneath your lip, it actually pulls back as we age, shrinking the very foundation your lips sit on. The structure. That's why people who never needed a lip lift at age 20 suddenly qualify for one at age 60. Now, what if I told you your mouth could actually get younger by addressing this foundation, as well as the skin, the fat pads, and the lip curl? And of course, that color indicating youthful hormones, all the while whitening your teeth and even zapping cold sores. It's not a gimmick, it's science. You can drop Rajani MD gel right into the dental tray and even brighten your smile. And honestly, as your lower face lifts and looks more youthful, the last thing you want is your teeth to look older than your skin. You don't want dull teeth and a rejuvenated lower face. My patients kept asking for whitening power. Why? Because the skin was improving around the lips and was looking more youthful. That's a great problem to have. White teeth with a supported lower face, perfect. But white teeth with a sagging lower face, not a good look. Again, we want to address it all, not one thing. One thing looks piecemeal. That's like putting fresh paint on a fence that's falling over. Now, let me show you exactly why this device works and how. And because I know people will ask, yes, it's available today for this channel only. I'd love to feature your real results. As a valued customer, I'm offering a $200 rebate when you share your before and after photos plus a short video testimonial of your experience. Your story is going to help others see what's possible, And this is my way of saying thank you for being part of the community here. And yes, if you have friends who are not viewing this channel, but you think would benefit, share this video with them. It's not just aesthetics, it's oral health. Send us your photos and video, and once approved, you'll receive your $200 rebate. My staff works 7 days a week like me. Details are in the link pinned to the top of the comments section here and in the more info section below the video as usual. And you get your free Rejani MD whitening gel. There's nothing on the market like this. Our lower face naturally squares as we age. That's why so many women tell me, I feel like I look more masculine as I get older. That's a natural feeling. And what happens? People add fillers. The last thing you want to do is add filler to the lower face. That makes the problem worse. It's completely backwards, but it's what we do. Adding more volume to the lower face, where the upper face volume moved to, squares. That's why people look unusual. In fact, gum disease is a silent epidemic. Nearly 60% of adults, 60, over the age of 65, have some form of gum disease, which includes irreversible bone loss around the teeth. And for those of you who've lost a tooth, please comment below so everyone else here on this channel learns just how impactful that was on your smile and your lower face aging. Not good. Prevention. As with everything I do, it's quality. Medical grade trays, USB-C rechargeable, no heat, no pain, just 3 to 10 minute sessions. It isn't an Amazon gimmick. PlasmaGlo combines 6 wavelengths and 4 full protocols in one elegant doctor-designed system. Here's how it works. A brighter smile with whiter teeth, plumper, more vibrant lips, think color, tone, and smoothness, healthier gums and teeth, cold sore prevention and reduction. The secret? Photobiomodulation, clinically studied wavelengths of light that activate your mitochondria, the energy producers in your cells. More ATP in your cells means better healing, reduced inflammation, and yes, collagen stimulation. Since the power is in the wavelengths, let me go through them for you for the science geeks like me. There's 460 nanometers. That's blue light that fights bacteria and supports safe teeth whitening. I put 605 nanometers in here. That's orange light. That boosts your circulation and gives lips a natural flush. Yes, 605 is superficial, and I added this one on purpose. I don't want my patients needing lip fillers when possible. And they're $600 a pop to get lip fillers. We want to avoid that. As we go up in these wavelengths, you'll see the longer the wavelength that I'm going to tell you about, the deeper it goes. So this orange light is meant to be superficial. The next wavelength, 630 nanometers, that's red light. That promotes collagen growth, and it's ideal for lip lines and gum support. Then I added 660 nanometers. That's a deeper red. It penetrates even deeper. Think inflammation and dermal repair. I then added 830 and 880 nanometers near infrared. They reach the submucosa and to the bone level to boost healing and stimulate fibroblasts. Finally, there's 1072 nanometers. That's your long near infrared. It's in the mid-range. But that helps your nerve repair, suppresses cold sores, and improves deep tissue oxygenation. So there's 4 modes, 2 trays, 1 device. That's what makes it special. And of course, you have the whitening gel that's optional and free today. For the cold sore mode, use at the first tingle, and that's going to suppress outbreaks before they surface. If you have one, that wavelength has been shown to reduce the time for healing. So you get rid of it quicker. For the lip mode, that's going to restore color and fullness with the orange, the red, and the near infrared wavelengths. You then have gum mode, and that's going to support your oral tissue health and fight recession with red and near infrared light. And then you have your teeth whitening mode. That's a 460 nanometer blue light with optional gel for safe and even whitening. 1072 nanometers, that's your longer wavelength that helps nerve repair, suppresses cold sores, and improves deep tissue oxygenation. Your mouth is central to your face. Now, I know many of you use red light in panels, in LED face masks for your body, and in red light saunas. If you don't know about the power of red light yet, you're not alone. In fact, doctors are just waking up to it too. You'll now want to watch this video all about red light. Keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.